As the Milky Way and Andromeda draw closer together, their gravitational forces are already beginning to interact. Stars on the outer edges of both galaxies are feeling the tug of gravity from their impending collision. Imagine being a star in this galactic tango, feeling the pull of another massive celestial body drawing nearer with each passing moment.
The Milky Way galaxy, our cosmic home, is hurtling towards a dramatic collision with the Andromeda galaxy, a cosmic neighbor. This collision is not a matter of if, but when, as the two galaxies are destined to meet in a cosmic dance of epic proportions. The sheer scale of this collision is mind-boggling, with billions of stars and planets set to be affected by this cosmic event.
The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies is not just a distant event in the future. It is a cosmic drama that we are all a part of, whether we realize it or not. The very atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars, and now those same stars are hurtling towards a collision that will reshape the very fabric of the universe. As we look up at the night sky, it's easy to feel small and insignificant in the face of such cosmic events. But we are part of something truly awe-inspiring, a dance of galaxies that has been playing out for billions of years and will continue long after we are gone. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a reminder of the vastness and beauty of the universe and our place within it. The collision itself will be a slow-motion catastrophe on a cosmic scale. Despite the immense speeds at which these galaxies are hurtling towards each other, the actual collision will take millions of years to complete. Picture the beauty and chaos of stars being flung out of their orbits, planets being torn apart, and the very fabric of space and time being warped by the celestial collision. One of the most fascinating aspects of this collision is the potential impact on our own solar system. As the Milky Way and Andromeda merge, the gravitational forces at play could fling our sun and its planets into new orbits. Imagine the Earth, our home, being cast into a completely different part of the galaxy with new cosmic neighbors and a new night sky to gaze upon. So the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember that you are not just a spectator to the cosmic drama unfolding above you. You are a part of it, connected to the very stars and galaxies that are hurtling towards their collision course. Embrace the wonder and mystery of the universe, and let the collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda inspire you to explore the depths of space and time.